In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack bot. We're going to walk through adding the bot's app to your Slack workspace using Slack's built-in app directory. This is a quick way to enable bot functionality without writing any code. You can follow along in the Slack desktop app or in a web browser. Before we start, make sure you're in the correct workspace since apps are installed per workspace, and note that some organizations require admin approval for new apps. Start on your Slack homepage. Look to the left sidebar for the Apps section. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it, or click the small arrow to reveal all sections. Click Apps to open the Apps panel. In that panel, you'll see 3 dots near the top. Click those 3 dots and choose Manage. This opens the management view where you can see what's already installed and discover new options. From here, select Browse Apps. This takes you to Slack's app directory, which is the central place to find and install integrations. The directory can feel big, so the search bar at the top is your best friend. Click the search bar and type bot. Don't worry about capitalization. Slack will understand what you mean. Give it a moment to load results. You'll see a variety of matches, but what we want is the bots category that groups bot-related tools together. Click on bots to open that category. This page highlights apps designed to automate tasks, respond to messages, or connect services through bot users. When you're ready, find the Add to Slack button and click it. Depending on your workspace's settings, Slack may show a brief permissions screen. Review what the app can access and continue. If your workspace requires admin approval, you'll see a note about requesting access instead of an immediate install. Once the installation completes, head back to your Slack homepage. The Bots app will appear in your Apps section on the left. If you don't see it right away, try collapsing and expanding the Apps section, or refresh Slack. You can also return to the Manage view to confirm it's listed as installed. From here, you can open the app to see what it can do, check any built-in guidance, and start exploring how bots can help automate simple workflows or respond to keywords inside your channels. And that's it. You open the Apps panel, went to Manage, browsed the directory, searched for bot, selected the bots category, and clicked Add to Slack. With the Bots app now visible on your homepage, you're ready to explore bot-powered features that fit your team's workflow.